spring is just around the corner here in Wisconsin, and the boat goes in about 8 weeks.
Yep, it's 8 weeks from today, just about.
So we're out here at the club to take a look at our mast. There's a couple things that we need to address this year, and we also want to replace all of the running rigging. So I took some samples so I can hopefully go to the store and buy some lines or ropes.
There's no ropes on a boat. Well, we want to take a few minutes here to say thank you. We do appreciate all the views, all the comments, the likes for our videos. We actually just had our cruise committee meeting at Windjammers, and we got a nice little group of cruises planned for this season. So stay tuned, and we'll take you along with us.
Yep, we have a lot of different things that we're going to do, and a lot of it is going to be anchoring. That's something that we really enjoy doing, and so do our boat besties. So we are excited to have quite a few anchoring out weekends and nights. So thanks again for all your comments and your good vibes. We love reading them, and it makes us really proud of what we've kind of started here. So thank you again.
Yep, thank you. And as soon as this water gets softer, we'll be able to get the boat back in the water.
Yep. Couple weeks now.
All right, we'll see you later.
Thank you.